Hey there, Escambia County teachers, and welcome back to another Byte of Tech with your Student Data Systems team. Join me today as we take a look at how to make gradebook notes and comments in Focus Gradebook. Let's jump in. From the Gradebook screen, locate your student and click on the clipboard icon next to their name. Here you can type a student note, such as sits in front of the class, or make a note that's visible to students and parents, like things concerning absences and tardies. Next, you can use the editor at the top to bold or underline. You can add links and images, and you can even toggle to the next student here in the top right corner. Click on the next student or click out of this editor box to save. You'll now see that the clipboard has become blue with writing. Comments can also be used in the gradebook. Here you can see on the All page, if you look at the grade, double-click and the comment box editor will appear. You can type in grades specific to that assignment here. You can even highlight them to show up in your highlighted grades report as shown in previous videos. You can toggle between students as well in that top right corner, or from an individual assignment, click on the Grades tab and you will see you can input grades and comment from the very same screen. That same comment box will appear, so type your comment and click away to save. Parents and students can see the comments and notes that you've provided by going to their portal and looking for the course and clicking the grade. This will take them to that specific course gradebook where they can view the gradebook notes provided at the top, as well as any individual grades and comments for the assignments listed below. And that's another Byte of Tech. Thanks for watching. Check out the additional videos listed here and open the description below for more resources and a comment card for future video requests. Before you leave, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss our new videos every Tuesday.